Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2012 Ford Explorer. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Ford are offered, including delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.